What's going on? It's that one CAD developer, and in today's video we're going to do our first development. In today's video we're going to be doing the login and sign up page of the new CAD that we're going to be building. If you don't already know how, press New App. Name of this app, I'm just going to name it YouTube Tutorial 2. You can start from a template, doesn't matter. What am I building? I'm building other. You don't have to worry about details what you're building. You can put CAD. I don't know what you want to do. So create a new app. What that's gonna do is just gonna create your app. Make sure it's all good. Let it load here, and then we'll go ahead and get started. Yeah, give it time to load, and we'll go ahead and get in here. All right. Alright, once this is loaded, this new application assistant, you want to start with a blank page. And then after it starts with a blank page, you want to close the assistant. So now, with that just done, you literally have a blank page here. So, you can do this. You can make the page title like my CAD index or something. Index is literally just your home or like the first page your user brings you to. So if you do like Walmart.com, that's the first page you'll go to, which is your index. Okay, now that you got that, you can double click this again, and that's how you get this up, is by double clicking. You can do your style, or no, background, background, which can be flat color. You can change the color of your background, which in this case I'm going to use a darker. Oh, that's F12. Don't mind that. That doesn't happen. You can do I'm going to do a darker grayish. So, you can do a flat color. You can do a gradient, which you could do linear right, which you could do like a black and a white, I don't know, and it's linear. Or what I like to do, you could do a red and you could do a blue, so it makes it look like police lights. I don't know, your choice. Or of course you can always just do an image. Whenever you press upload here, it will pop up with all your stuff there. So I'm going to go back to my flat color, which was this, and we're going to go ahead and get started. So now we're going to grab this group thing, this group element here, right here. We're going to drag it out on the page wherever you would like it. Pretty big. This is going to be where we log in. Probably don't have to be this big. I'm going to center mine horizontally, not vertically. Basically, you can name it whatever you want right here, anything like that. You can go ahead and let's edit this and give me some time to get my color figured out. Alright, it was 0 seconds to you, but it was like 20 seconds to me. I got this figured out. I add some edges, which if you want to do, or roundness, want to do that, you'll go below the background style and color here, and it'll be border. You can also make your border solid, which will just add this border. You can make the width of the border 21, which I like 1 the best, because it just makes a little outline. It's not bad. Your border style can be anything, solid, dotted, dashed, double, groove, ridge, inset. I don't know what half of these do. I mainly use solid because it looks the best to me. You can do what fits you, but solid fits me. So, moving on from that, I always like to add a text up here. It doesn't matter how big it is. I like making mine pretty big just because I can. So, you can name this like my CAD login. My CAD name, or your community's name, so it'll say, hey, welcome to, or we could also do, here's what I done. I done my community CAD, so it's your community's name, CAD. So yeah, so that's how you do that. It's just a normal text, nothing fancy. Bold on that. Alright, well, it was like 1 second for you guys, but like 20 seconds for me. So remove all these conditionals for me, because if you don't, whenever you hover over this, it'll make something weird. So just go ahead and remove those conditionals. You can do conditional, sorry about that. So basically when this input to value is something, you can change the font color or something. You can mess around with that, see what you like, see what you don't like. Honestly, I don't like conditionals, only on other stuff I do. So email, and then we're just going to Control C and then Control V this. So basically what that's going to do is just going to create another one. I'm going to place it right below it, and this is going to be password. Now that that's password, it's going to be a password, so it'll just hide the text. So password. And then up here, actually we want to name this login password, because I know you're thinking I have to do this. This is not necessary. It is necessary, and you will know why. This is a login email. Now that you've done that, you'll scroll back up in this little left hand thing here, and you'll look at this button, name button. It's an element, and then you'll drag it out as big, as small as you want. I'm gonna make it pretty big. I'm gonna center it horizontally, and I'm gonna name this login. And again, style none, it'll just do it none, and then I'm gonna change this to 24. Alright, and then let me get a nice blue, like a nice light darker blue, like that, kinda. Yeah, that'll look good. So transitions, basically what this is doing, it's doing this. So when this button is hovered, I do not want the outset to do anything. When this button is pressed, I do not want the box shadow to be black. And when this button isn't clickable, I don't want that to happen. And then transition, since we ain't got anything in the conditional, there's no meaning for that, and it won't do anything. It is not any use for you anyway, I should say. So border style, I'm going to add one. It's going to be width is 1. I'm going to make it white so that it has a white border. And I'm going to extend my roundness to about 10 here. Kind of like my buttons to be rounder. So now that that's done, we need a sign up button. Now, you can add a button like we just did now, or you can do a text. So if we drag this under, kind of like that, you can do don't have, okay, gotta get my topping back. Don't have an account, click me. So basically that's literally, and then you can edit it, of course, like I'm gonna do here. I'm gonna make mine like that, like that. I'm gonna make mine 8, no, let's make it 14. Okay, I want it all to fit, so that, center horizontally, there we go. Don't have an account, click me, and then I'm also going to underline it, saying, hey, click me. Not going to bold it, italic, yeah. Then you're going to, just leave that there for now, and then I'm also going to Control C, Control V that, which is just going to create a copy. I'm going to make it smaller, and then I'm going to make it 12, and this is going to say, forgot password, click me. And then do the same thing, this, I guess even smaller, and then let me center horizontally. Okay, now click this text box again, make sure it's all of this, you can see everything. Press this, that said start/edit workflow, and then this will show up. Basically you're gonna press this, you're going to do account, this right here, you're going to go to your right here, and you're going to find where it says send password reset email. Email to reset is going to be login email. It'll be this first input here. Login emails value. So whatever email they have entered, that email is what they'll send. Or you could also do, sorry about my phone there, I'll turn my notifications off, my stupid phone. Or you could also do current user's email. So basically, whenever they sign up, all it'll do is send the email to the current user's email, which is what you actually want to use instead. So just do email to reset is current user's email. Subject, your password reset confirmation. You can delete all this or you can keep it, your choice. So I'm gonna write hello, it seems you have requested a password reset. Press the link below. Basically, every time, what is it? Can't think of it, but the team. Basically, every time Bubble is going to send you a password reset email, it will always, most always be below your little message here. So make sure you say press the link below, not press this link. So, and you can do only when current user is logged in. Or no, wait, yeah, no. Never mind. Don't add that. Okay, so basically text forgot password is clicked. Then what you're gonna do is just send the password reset email to that email. Okay, so don't have an account, we don't have the pop-up. Now when login is pressed, double click login and it'll show start/edit workflow. Click on that. Go here, click to add another action. Account, you want to log the user in. Email is going to be login email's value. Password is going to be login password's value. Stay logged in, yes. Remember the email, yes. You can do those if you want. And then we want to navigation here, right here. Navigation, go to page. And then watch closely. You're going to press up here to this little drop down. You're going to press add a new page and you're going to call it home or home page or whatever. Clone is going to be none. And you're going to press create. So now that we're on the home page and we're in the workflows, press click here to add an event, general, do every 5 seconds. You want to navigation, go to page, index, only when current user isn't logged in. So you want to go to page index only when current user isn't logged in. Now press this drop down again, go over here to index, button login is clicked, you want to go to, don't click that, you want to go to page, home. So when button login is clicked, it'll log the user in, it'll go to page home. Now, you can also, okay, now that that's done, so, now, scroll down real quick, and you'll see below repeating group, it'll say Popup. You want to grab this, and you want to make it kind of as big as login. You don't have to. I'll make mine a little bit bigger. And this is, I'm just going to name mine register Popup. So this is going to be where a user registers or signs up, either one you want to call it. I'm just going to get my color here of what I used. So Control C. And then I'm going to scroll up here. In case you accidentally clicked off, you see this elements tree. You can click that and it'll show register pop-up. You'll click it and it'll pop up. So, and then my color, I want to Control V. There we go. There's my color. So, now that that's done, border style, I'm going to make mine white real quick. I might add 0 roundness. Okay, that's that. So, now I'm going to add another text. This text is, of course, going to say register, sign up, whatever you want it to say. Mine's going to say sign up for simplicity. So, and then I'm going to add my style, or I'm just going to customize it. Again, your normal style will be like, I think it's going to be one of these. You can just click the top here and it'll automatically show all these options. Yes, I'm going to, no, not underline. I'm going to do italics on mine. So I should say sign up, perfect. Alright, good. Now, this right here is not the difficult part at all. You want to grab one of these inputs here again, and you just want to make it, don't matter how big, how small, I'm actually going to drag that down a bit because I don't like how close it is to that sign up. So this is going to be sign up email. So that's sign up email. Placeholder is going to be email. Content format is going to be another email. And then style, I'm just going to click off from normal input. I'm going to click the top here. And then we can make it black. And you can customize all this again. You don't have to do what I'm doing. Make sure all these conditionals are removed. You can read them, you can know what they do, but I don't like them personally. So I want a black border with the roundness of, I think I've done 5 on my last one, so I'll do 5. Okay, now that that's done, I'm just going to Control C, Control V, and I'm going to drag that down. Oh, come on. Come on. Maybe I'll just do this. It don't want to straighten, so I'm just gonna, there we go. Now this is going to be sign up password. And then this, you're just gonna put password in the little placeholder. And then content format is going to be password. And then you're going, and then, yeah, you already have everything. And then you're gonna Control C, Control V. And that's 10 pixels away, so I'll actually bring that down. This is going to be sign up confirm password. So, and then in the placeholder, you're going to put confirm password. Basically, you don't have to have a confirm password. That's all up to you, alright? All up to you. Content format stays the same. You've already done all this, so you're all good. So, now we're going to Control C, Control V. We're going to make it 10. Alright, and then this is going to be name. Now, of course, so this is going to read out name for the placeholder. The content type, or format, sorry, is going to be a text. Content format is a text. So, and then this is going to be sign up name. Of course, this can read gamer tag, Discord name, anything you want in your community, of course. So, moving on from that, we have everything set up here. If you want an access password, this is where it's going to get more, not difficult, but if you want an access password, which I'm actually going to add one. So, let's see. Okay, 8, we're going to make it 2 more down. So, and then this is going to read out access password. And this is going to be sign up access password. So now that you've done that, this is good. You want to, and then your access password is of course going to equal access password's first value. So you're going to go to this thing on your complete left, not this, but your complete left where it says data. You're going to click data. You're going to show data types. You want a new type down here. You're going to name this access password. And then you're going to press create here. And I'll put 3 S's. So, and then create a new field here. The field name is going to be access. Oh, crap. Access password, and then this is going to be a text, and then press create. So that's an access password. Now over here in app data, it's the 4th one over, app data. You're going to click it. You're going to click all access passwords, or actually hold on, never mind. Click this button that says switch to live database. Switch to live database. Press that button. We are loading my YouTube tutorial to version live. Okay, now that's loaded that, you want to press new, or wait, where's my access pass? Hold on. Switch to dev. Hold on, I've done this before, I just don't know. Let me do this. Okay, never mind. Okay, now you want to you're on app data, but you want to click this drop down that says development. You want to click deploy current version to live. Description, you can be anything. My CAD, I guess. And then you're going to press deploy. It says deployment successful. So you can close that and then press switch to live database. I'm sorry about that. Switch to live database, and then it'll show all access passwords. You'll click on that and you'll press new entry. Type of thing is an access password. You want your access password to be whatever. I'm just gonna name it CAD, so that's what I'm gonna name mine. So I'm just gonna name mine CAD, and I'm gonna press create. Your entry was successful, so there we go. Should show it. Okay, now you're going to press switch to dev database. This is going to take it back to where you can actually edit it. So now you're actually going to be able to edit stuff. So work, and then you want to go back to this. You want to scroll up. You want to press register pop-up here. And then if you don't know how to get to that, I'll just press this little elements tree thingy and it'll show all those. So now you're going to drag another button, which if you don't want to, oops, sorry about that. If you don't want to go over here, click button and drag it out, I'm just going to go out of here and I'm going to Control C, bring back my register, and I'm going to Control V it. And it will place it in a weird position, and I know it is really weird, but just drag it down here. And then I'm going to center horizontally, and I'm going to name this SignUp. So, and then since I've already got my button customized, you can take your time to customize that. So you'll press start/edit workflow here. And then you want to click data new action account. You want to sign the user up. Email is going to be SignUp emails value. Password is going to be SignUp passwords value. You don't have to require password confirmation, but I am, so you'll click this. Confirmation is going to be SignUp confirm passwords value. You can send an email to confirm it. That's all your choice. Remember the email, yes, no, your choice. Now that that's done, I just want to see if I can, okay, yeah, I can, okay. Now that that's done, you want to click here. No, actually, yeah, press change another field. And then where it says click, I want you to create a new field. Press create a new field. Field name is going to be name. This is going to be, field type is going to be a text. Then you're going to press create. Name equals SignUp names value. So then if you go to data, data types user, you'll see name. So you can do age, you can do all that, but I'm just going to keep it sign the user up. Click this. You can go to navigation, or not navigation, sorry, element actions, hide, element register pop-up. So basically whenever they press register or sign in or sign up, it'll hide that pop-up, so you know they won't have to click out of themselves like we do. Now basically you're going to go back to your home page here and you're going to press this, don't have an account, click me. You're going to press start/edit workflow. You're going to press click here to add an action. Navigation. Element actions down here. Show. Register pop-up. And then that's it. So now if you press this preview up here, you can preview your CAD, it'll also bring up this debugger down here too. This debugger, you can just click up here and you can put that to false if you don't like it, as I don't, so I'm going to put it to false. So now you can make this as small or big as you want. So if I press I don't have an account, it'll show this. My email is going to be demo@demo.com. My password is going to be demo, confirm password, demo. My name, demo, everything's demo basically. And then oh yeah, my access password was CAD. Then you can press sign up. It'll give it a minute to sign me up. It'll hide that pop-up, and I don't want to save this password. Demo@demo.com. And what this should do is, and then whenever you press login, it should log you. It should go to your home page. Alright, and there you go. So that is your login, sign up, and forgot password done. The next video I will be explaining how to do approval, or not like in the admin panel, but how do you make it where it'll go to page approval whenever their approval is no. So that'll be in the next video. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, press the like button. I'll see you in the next one.